Greetings, everyone. So today I want to talk about what I've been working on. First off, my channel got hacked. My entire Google account that's attached to my channel, and it was a nightmare, but I finally got that up and running. The video on all of that, the long story, is available if you want to watch it. But behind the scene, I've been working with the AI stuff because the world is changing. AI is everywhere, it's into everything. Some people believe it's going to take away jobs, which I don't believe that's the case. In some ways, yes, but some ways, no. It's more of the people who are going to be working with it going to have the skills that's going to replace the people who don't have the skills. But anyway, I've been learning about it because I like to keep up with this stuff. The Amazon voice assistant has gotten a lot of updates as far as that concerned. I know it's been a while since I made any videos based on those routines and stuff, but I've been playing with that. But on the opposite side of things, I've been working with a different AI tools out there on the market. Some limited use and some you have to pay. So it all depends on which one you're working with. It's just the way the things are. I'm coming up with a video right now. It's probably the next video after this one that's going to explain the reason behind why we're paying for the subscription to AI. Most of that stuff, well, I wouldn't say most, but some of it is free. It depends on which one you're using. Copilot can do a lot of things for free. Gemini can do a lot of things for free. But if you want to do the premium stuff or the heavy lifting, you need to pay. But there's a lot of AI tools that I've been dibble dabbling with: music, image, voice cloning, what else? Video creation, editing. Some of them can edit your paper and do a lot of different things. Chat GPT has this version too, but there's also a premium size. And like I said, I was digging deep down because I wanted to know why you have to pay for AI services, and there's a reason behind it. So I'm going to explain all of that, like I said, in the next video. But I just wanted to drop this video to let you know that I've been off making videos for a while, but it's not that I didn't want to. I was just looking at things on a different angle, and like I said, my channel got hacked. So that was another nightmare I had to straighten out. So everything is pretty much up and running now, and we're good to go. We're back on schedule. I've been kind of working on my studio. It's still, I would say, 50% done. It's not fully there yet, but I'm working on that. And I got some videos coming. But the one I'm working on right now, like I said, is going to explain some things behind the reason why AI costs to use. There's a reason behind it. And I'm going to explain that. Then I'm probably going to introduce CHARD.Ai. So some of the videos going to probably be made by my avatar because I do have a lot of other things going on and I'm working on those too. So if you see CHARD.Ai, that's just me still doing the videos, just in a different format. Those will be my explanation video. I still do the hands-on videos, it'll be me. But some of the videos, yeah, it's more about the information. So it will be explained and broken down and tell you the reason why things are. So those videos are coming too. So yeah, this is pretty much an update. I just wanted to run this quick video while I'm sitting here plotting and planning and trying to figure things out on which avenue I'm going to go. And my desk is finally up and running. I got it all set up. You might have seen some of the videos that I made where I was breaking down the old desk and put the new one up. If you haven't, that one is also on the channel. It's just a quick video, you know what I mean? Nothing real fascinating about it. So, because I'm pretty sure you've seen setups before, studio setups and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you how I break down and put my new setup back together. So that's about it. But yeah, like I said, I'm working on producing that video right now and it should come out. I'm trying to get it out this week. I'm trying a different angle on making this video and I'm gonna see how it comes out. So this is a new concept that I'm working on. Like I say, that's about it. Hey, anyway, thanks for continuous supporting the channel. I do appreciate it. And stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and keep liking and leaving comments because I'm still doing videos. I know it's been slow going, but I'm going to start pushing them out using a different concept and see how that works. All right. So have a good day. Hope all is well with everybody out there. The world is different, AI and politics and, a lot of different things going on. So I hope everybody's staying out there safe and, trying to keep up, especially with AI stuff. Cause like I said, it's deep. It is very deep. I'm just shocked, but there will be some things coming out. A lot of these things out here are some fascinating tools and what they can do. I mean, mind blowing. But I had to personally play with them for a little bit before I could start making videos on them so I can understand them and explain them more in better details. All right, so that's coming. Anyway, that's going to be it. Have a good one, and I'll see you next time.